Microtech Ultratech review by actual owner. Hey gang, my name is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and today I'm going to do an honest owner's review of an Ultratech II Signature Series Stonewashed. Okay, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just ordered this and I received it. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it and give you my first impression of the knife. And basically you just get the box, you get some templates, but here is the actual beauty. Here's the actual beauty of this knife. And you guys can see that there's little oils on the knife. So what makes the Signature Series different than the actual standardized Ultratech? Well, from my understanding, but I could be wrong, that you have the standard Ultratechs, then you have the Signature Series, which is one level above that, and then you actually have the customs from Microtech. Okay, now this one is a 2021 version, and it was made in 10/2021, and I got the serial number 2022, actually 22. So not that many of these are produced, the Signature Series. So it makes it kind of cool. Now what makes this one a little different is this is called their Sidestep. So this is the Ultratech Sidestep or Ultratech II, and you have these little grooves and dentures right here. Okay, but overall it's basically the same type of knife as a normal Ultratech. Now let's take a look at the action. There you go. It does hit pretty hard. That's one thing I like about this. Now I've owned, right now I own like 6 different Ultratechs, but at one time I owned 3 different Ultratechs, and I sold them all because 2 of them broke very, very fast. So I was very, very disappointed at Microtech, and I was just barely getting into the knife world. Okay, I spent a lot of money, and they broke. And one of them I sent it in at least 3 times, and Microtech was never able to fix it. So I basically fire sold it and disclosed to the new buyer what was going on with it, and they were willing to buy it. So I lost a lot of money. Okay, but then I ended up owning a lot of different Microtechs and a lot of Benchmade and a lot of different companies. And then I finally came back to Microtechs because of the cool blades that they make. You know what I mean? Let me show you one example of the Microtech SBD. I mean, look at this blade, right? I mean, very, very beautiful blade. And so, I guess I'm a Microtech fan as well because I love the beautiful blades, but I have got some lemons, not once, not twice, not 3 times. Let me show you this other one that I got from Microtech, which is the Halo 6, and I bought this and I paid $750 for it, and right out of the box there was a problem right here, and I sent this one in 4 times before it was fixed. And again, it was a brand new knife. So I'm a fan of Microtechs, but I have had some bad lemons and poor warranty service work. So I want to disclose that out there. And also I want to disclose that I bought this knife with my own money.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.MrNoFluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
I'm not sponsored by Microtech. This is not a loaner. This is not a knife dealer. I'm actually the actual owner, and I bought it with my own money. This one cost me $379, so $360 plus tax plus shipping is what you'll normally pay for this. So again, this is the Ultratech Sidestep 2. And this is the Stonewashed. So with the Signature series, you get the Signature here, you get a low serial number because they don't produce it that much. So it's not like mass produced like some other companies. And this is the standard edge. The reason I got this, I like Tonto or Blaze a lot more, but I didn't have one of these because I sold my other Ultratechs. So I have this one now. Now, on a scale of 1 to 10, you know, I would say this is a 10. I didn't have any problems with this one right off the bat, like my Halo or like my other Ultratech. So I give it a 10. Now, the design is kind of different than my normal Ultratechs. Like here's another normal Ultratech that I have. This is a bronze version. I don't know if you guys can see, but just to do, for example, a comparison, you can see that they're both identically the same. There's only one different thing with it, and that's basically the bronze color and the shelling on this, or the outer case has grooves in it. Now the groove thing kind of makes it, in my opinion, a little ugly, but functionality wise it's very good. I mean, for function wise is amazing. I mean, you can definitely feel that filling into my hand so it won't slip versus this one, right? But this one is more slippery than this one without a doubt, because when you run your fingers over, I mean, they kind of like go into the groove and walk out, where here just very smooth sailing. So there's the advantages to both. But this review is about me opening box a Microtech Sidestep 2 Signature series and giving you my first impression. I haven't carried it, you know, I can't tell you if it's going to be long lasting, but I'll do a long-term review once I carry it more. But on a scale of 1 to 10, I think it's a 10. You know, it's working really good. It has a great authority when it fires, and you guys can see I've just been getting a lot of new knives, and I've been doing knife tests, and you can see it's like very, very, very sharp right out of the box. It just takes your hair away, which is pretty amazing. Not that many knives companies will give you knives this sharp. So if you have any questions about this Microtech Ultratech II Sidestep Signature series, I'd be happy to answer for you. Leave me a comment below. Do you think I should use this one for my everyday carrier, or do you think I should use this one for my everyday carrier? This one has a series number of like thousands, where this is just, I got the 22, which is pretty limited. This one is the bronze finish with the Tonto full serration, where this is just the standard edge. Okay, I was thinking personally myself to use this one because this has a lower run rate, you know, but let me know your thoughts below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer for you. Don't take no for an answer, and always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.